We bought this as a replacement. The design was the closest to our original. We are extremely pleased with it. It is whisper quiet. I have to look at it in order to see if on. Very nice fan, well made, fits well on our covered porch. Bought the 2-foot rod, looks much better than the 6-inch rod in the box. Cost was an extra $24. We have it on our porch and it looks fabulous, stunning, and makes a real statement. We have only turned it on to check it out, as it is winter in MD. We do look forward to really enjoying our porch and this unit. I feel like it's hard to find a white ceiling fan that doesn't look cheesy, but this fan is beautiful. It's classy and substantial, and the finish on everything is spectacular. It doesn't come with a light kit, but it is light kit adaptable. I bought the Emerson Schoolhouse light fixture to use with this, and it's perfect. It looks as though it were made specifically for this ceiling fan. Even though it is made in China, it appears to be well made. Motor is heavy, which is a good thing. It was packaged very well. Easy to install, and it looks great. Time will tell how it lasts. The fan is hanging in my pergola. It looks great and the airflow is just what I wanted. Great quality fan. You can tell the quality just from the feel. They have good weight to them and overall construction is good. They also move a good amount of air as well. Love, love, love. See my pictures. It came with lots of secure packing material. Instructions were easy to follow. Installing no problem at all. This fan is not only looking pretty. It is quiet and effective. Great product. Got a lot of compliments already. This fan is very quiet when running. I was worried about the noise of some fans on high speed, but this one produces a nice breeze for those hot days and was not loud. It's a nice looking fan and seems well built to last in the outdoor weather. I have mine installed in our pergola so it will get hit by rain and sun. Hopefully it lasts. Click link in description for more reviews.